Hey, welcome back to Modern Nomads. And today I'm super excited to walk you through how I turned this empty cargo van into a cozy, off-grid, tiny home, step by step. Whether you're dreaming of van life or just curious about the process, stick around because I've got all the details coming your way. Let's dive in. Step 1. Planning and layout. Every great van build starts with a solid plan. I grabbed a notebook and jotted down my must-haves: a comfy bed, plenty of storage, a little kitchen area, and space for solar power. The trick was balancing functionality with minimalism. I wanted it livable but not cluttered. I even sketched a rough layout to visualize how everything would fit. Trust me, this step saves headaches later. Step 2. Insulation and flooring. Next up, insulation and flooring. This is key for staying comfy no matter the weather. I went with foam board or wool. It's lightweight and effective. I covered the floor, walls, and ceiling to keep the heat out in summer and the warmth in during winter. Then I laid down a wooden floor. Nothing fancy, just some planks I cut to size. Instantly, it started feeling like a little cabin on wheels. Step 3. Building furniture and storage. Now on to furniture. I kept it simple and smart. I built a raised bed with storage bins underneath, perfect for clothes and gear. Overhead, I added cabinets for extra space, and I even made a folding desk that doubles as a table. I used lightweight wood to keep the van easy to drive and maximize every inch. It's all about multi-purpose design in a space this small. Step 4. Solar power and electrical. To make this a true off-grid home, I tackled the electrical setup. I mounted 2 solar panels on the roof, wired them to a 12-volt battery system, and boom! Power for my lights, a mini fridge, a fan, and my phone charger. I added a fuse box and a charge controller to keep everything safe and running smoothly. It's honestly so satisfying to live off the sun. Step 5. Final touches and decor. With the big stuff done, it was time for the fun part, making it mine. I hung curtains for privacy, strung up some fairy lights for that cozy vibe, and added a couple of small plants to bring a bit of nature inside. It's amazing how these little touches transform the space into a calming, practical home that reflects who I am. And there you have it, my cargo van turned tiny home. I'm so stoked with how it turned out, and I can't wait to hit the road. If you're planning your own build or just love van life vibes, hit that subscribe button for more guides, adventures, and tips. I drop new videos every week right here on Modern Nomads. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite part of this build? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.